Hello friends, myself Brijesh Upadhyay, All India rank 283 in GATE 2021 and currently pursuing MTech from IIT Kanpur in Aerospace Department, and I did my BTech in mechanical background. I have just qualified the All India exam, and today I have appeared in the online interview mode. So today I want to share my experience, what type of question they ask, and which are the background the parents should be means prepared for the any PSU exam, what type of the expected question they ask in the interview in any type of the PSU एग्ज़ाम। तो मैं इस वीडियो में इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करूँगा। तो सबसे पहले जब मेरा इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हुआ वो जूम मीटिंग पे था। देर आर 5 पैनल्स members, and first of all they told me to introduce yourself. Then I introduced myself. After they asked me my hobbies and some extracurricular activities during my college time. In the introduction itself I told that I am pursuing MTech from IIT Kanpur. Then they asked what happen if you get the selected in Oil India, then what you have to do, you have to left the MTech or what should you select. Then accordingly I answered according to me. Then they asked me the what do you know about the Oil India, and after they ask what do you know, you have if you got the opportunity to do work with Oil India, you have to be placed in the northeast state in Assam. Do you know anything about Assam? Then I told yes sir, I know about the Assam. Then they ask would you able to survive in Assam, the location is very far from the even Guwahati 500 kilometer. Then I told yes sir, I am a student and I traveled a lot in India. I survived most of the places. Then they asked, then they told okay. Then after that they start asking the some technical questions. And one of the thing I want to say that whenever you go in the PSU exam, just prepare basic thing about this PSUs. Where is their office? What are they are doing? What are their future plans? What are their past plans? Means what are their revenue? All these things, basic things, you must read about the PSUs. And the second thing, the second after that, the second panelists start questioning. They just asked me, just explain what is the difference between the CI engine and SI engine, basic difference. And I told them basic. Then after he asked Mr. Bridges, would you like to go in depth? Then I so yes sir. Then they asked me, told me the difference between the engine oil and the brake oil. And after that, actually at the time of the interview, I am in Delhi. They asked some questions related to that. After that, they asked questions related to material science, like steel, alloy steel, what type of the if you add the vanadium, what are the properties means enhanced in the steel. If you add what are the alloying elements you must add to increase the malleability, to increase its toughness. This type of question they asked to me. And after that the second another panelist asked me about the fluid machine. They asked me which type of means which are the criterion to select a centrifugal pump, what type of criteria you have to in mind during selection of an centrifugal pump. Then I told him there are certain criteria to select a centrifugal pump. Then little bit they satisfied. They also told me some sorry other criterion. And in between one panelist asked me about the they asked me I think about the yes, properties of the lubricating oil. He told me earlier you told the difference between the lubricating engine oil and the brake oil. Can you explain the difference between the lubricating, the difference between the the properties of the lubricating oil in engine? Then I told whatever I know. And if you don't know, just say sir, I am not aware about exactly what are the properties, but I can guess or whatever I memorize I can told you. According to that, after that one panelist asked me about the heat treatment. When again they told me, Mr. Brijesh, you are in Delhi and there is an oxygen crisis during pandemic. They told me why peoples are running behind the cryogenic tanker? Why not we just transport all these things in simple containers? Then I told them accordingly why you use cryogenic tanker, what are the properties of the cryogenic tanker, and the different things. Then suddenly one panelist asked me, Mr. Brijesh, can you told us why you use cylindrical or the spherical vessel to carry a gas? Why not other dimensions? Then I told accordingly the minimum surface area and the stress concentration in the other dimension are high compared to the spherical and the cylindrical. Then the last panelist, the ladies, she asked me, Mr. Brijesh, if you are in Delhi, if you are the sole authority in the Delhi, then what steps you take to handle this pandemic in a better way? What are the steps? Then I told them what should I do to create some oxygen banks, and I told them that there is no shortage of the oxygen, there is only shortage of the transportation issue. Then different type of suggestions I provide. Even I read some suggestions from the recently given by the Supreme Court. I quote all these suggestions which are given by the Supreme Courts. They are aware, means they are. I think interview is fine. I am waiting for the final result. There is 2 seats. I am selected in the EWS category, and I am hoping for the best. One thing I want to mention, that whenever you go for any PSU interview, you must know about the PSU. What are the future plan? What are the past plan? What are they doing at that time? And second thing, you must prepare the application part subjects. For example, power plant, IC engine, fluid machine, material science. These are the most probable areas where they ask the question. Thank you very much, and if you like the video, subscribe my channel, and I would like to update all the interview in the future also, and mechanical related things. Thank you very much.